Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you some brief information, a general overview, and my first impressions on these S&T Microfiber Cleaning Cloths sent to me by the seller for evaluation and available to you on Amazon. I have found a lot of really good uses for these microfiber cleaning cloths. Let me tell you a little bit about them. Well, to start, they're 30 centimeters square, really nice size. So that's almost 11.8 inches square as well. So they're really thin, but they're really strong. And because they're thin, they're very light, super absorbent, and machine washable. And because they're machine washable, they're reusable. So where are some of the places that these would be great for? Well, first off, cleaning obviously comes to mind, kitchen and bathroom. I think they're great for dorms and hotel rooms and those types of things, offices, office cleaning. Like I said, they're highly absorbent, which makes them really, really good use in wet rooms like bathroom and kitchen, and they're super durable. They're also wonderful on really hot days to put them in cool water, wipe your face, wipe your head with them, really work well. This box comes in a pack of 50, so you should never be without them. And they're also great for dusting. And one of the other features that it has, they call it their edgeless. There's no seam, there's no line that goes across here, so you don't have to worry when you're cleaning about picking up weird things or having that get in the way or making marks. It's almost like having an infinity cloth, and it works very well. So if you are looking for a durable, lightweight, super absorbent, reusable cleaning cloth made out of microfiber, I highly recommend that you give S&T a look. They work for me. They're a keeper in my family. Maybe they'll work for you as well.